walk slowly but never backwards. I learned that from this book, Atomic Habits. It just says, make an habit easy so you can do it more frequently. And just put some reps in instead of just planning. Like this video is crappy. I don't want anyone to see this. That's why I posted this on this YouTube channel. I have a main channel, but I will be posting this here because honestly this video sucks. I don't want anyone I know to say this, but let's still put some reps in. So now I will be focusing more on this YouTube channel, posting these dumb videos, these dumb bad videos, and its purpose is just to help me make it a habit, to make it more easier. And I will just start posting in my main channel after I'm able to talk and speak more when I'm able to speak more smoothly and make a video without edits or just minimal edits. Because making a video with too many cuts just because I can speak smoothly, I can speak clear, I cannot speak clear. So my videos just end up getting too many cuts, too many edits. It takes too much effort to make videos like those. So I will just be focusing more in this kinds of videos, on this kind of bad videos. And until I get better, I will just keep posting here. And yeah, I will be seeing you more in this channel than my main channel. I won't be telling you my main channel though. Okay, thank you for watching.